Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by clarifying your goal and picking a concise list of seed queries. Enter those seeds into Google Trends, set the country and time range that match your market, and choose a category to reduce noise. While you type, use the compare function to place related queries side by side. This gives immediate visibility into relative interest. Once done, note rising versus stable queries and export, or copy the results to a simple sheet for the next analytical step. Next, dig into the data. View interest over time to spot seasonality and interest by region to target geographies. Then open related topics and related queries. Prioritize rising and breakout tags because they signal momentum. Make sure to toggle rising versus top lists and adjust time range to reveal short-term spikes or long-term growth. Export these lists or manually capture high-potential keywords and note intent and competitiveness so you can validate with volume tools or content. Finish by refining and validating. Take the candidate keywords into a search volume tool and run quick SERP checks to understand competition. Prioritize terms that match user intent, show trend strength, and have meaningful regional interest. Once validated, build content or campaigns around clusters of related queries. If you get sparse or misleading results, widen the time range, clear category filters, or try broader seed terms. That troubleshooting step usually reveals missed variations and improves your keyword set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.